that just because for the opening ceremony you alone screamed and cheered like the sound of, say, 10 persons that you're a true fan? Well, think again. Here's how you know her. Rule number 1, nothing, not even saying overseas call from headquarters, takes precedence over the events.
Yep. Couldn't agree with you more, Mr. Sherman.
Do you have any questions?
Well, actually, I don't have a question so much as I have a statement.
What is it?
Jamaica about for run right now, you see? So me gone.
Miss Brooks.
Rule number 2, the fan must be properly attired to watch an event. Rule number 3, the fan must get really involved. Involved. Oh, and for disappointments, well, and everyone is different. Age, size, and fitness does not discriminate. Ah, yes. Conversations with the announcer is a must. And if the announcer happens to suffer from verbal diarrhea,
Couldn't I hear that every time I announcer, man? Hey, a race who come to watch, you know, and a chat who come to chat. Oh, run the thing, man, run the thing.
yes, the the fan even helps coach the athletes.
Oh, watch me, boy. Just focus. Take your mind off I browning with the best.
And when the event is going well,
Donkey lens in a skin. Oh, you mean? Donkey lens. Yeah. Ra. Wicked. Boom. Scum. Yeah, scum.
and for the Jamaican fan, celebrating victory indoors is not sufficient. Joyfully jarring, isn't it? Well, last but not least, the fan nearly always becomes a dancer and a DJ overnight.
Ready bang, skank. Jamaica ready fi mash it down again. Ready bang, ready bang, skank. Jamaica ready fi mash it down again. Oh, Jamaica ready fi mash it down again. Ready bang, skank. Jamaica ready fi mash it down again. Oh.
So now you know what a real Jamaican fan looks like.
Ready bang, skank.
Are you?
Ready bang, skank. Jamaica ready fi mash it down again. Ready bang, Oh, hey, me back.